Today's date is June the 17th. It's like a week before my birthday. My 47th birthday. Anyway, we're leaving Angels Camp, California. The Angels Camp RV Resort. And I tell you what, it's actually been pretty nice. The heat has been up there, but you know, dry heat didn't bother me too much. But they got a really nice pool here, and the staff has been really cool. Like I said, we got cabins over there. Pretty wide open spaces. You got your own space here. It's one thing I like. We got a corner lot here, so that was cool. But yeah, and they do have a lot of full-timers here. I've noticed that. Prices weren't bad, and oddly enough, if you get a spot for a month, you save quite a bit of money. But honestly, I don't like to stay anywhere really longer than 5 days. So anyway, we're gonna head down to Bakersfield, California, stay the night there, and then we're gonna hit the road again and head out to no thank you, that was Jennifer. She wanted to know if I wanted ice in my cup. Always looking out for me. But then we're gonna head over to Las Vegas for about a week. So got the truck ready to go. Everything's all hooked up. All I gotta do is get these slides in, so let's get that done. Alright, let's get everything wrapped up, the power cord and the water, and we are ready to go. Alright, so we are here at the KOA in Bakersfield, California, and it wasn't a bad drive. You're kind of hidden from the wind and everything with the mountains, but let's check it out. So we got a pull-through site, 60 feet, so the truck and the camper are right here. We don't have to unhook. Pretty wide open place. It's not bad at all. Easy to get into. They got a big wide parking lot here, and we're gonna go over the pool. When you get in here, make sure you go slow. They kind of push the issue of it being 5 miles an hour in here. So they got a playground. All right, Michaela will like that. Yeah, man, look at this place. Pretty cool. Plenty of sights right here. And they're all nice and flat. That's been a nice change. Those are cool. Oh, here's the pool. Hey, baby. Hi. Where's the gate? Oh, over here. Okay. All right. Let's go to the gate. Yeah, so here's the playground. Where? Oh, I missed it. All right, here we go. Guess we got to pull up on this. Hey, look at that. Oh, wow. Hot tub. Pretty big pool.
The hot tub's real hot, so we haven't tried it yet.
Yeah, I don't think we need to get in the hot tub. What are you doing? How's the water?
It's much better than
Yeah?
yesterday.
Yeah, so the campground we were at, well, baby, in a minute, the campground we were at in Angels Camp, I don't understand why, because it had been over 100 degrees for like 4 days, and the water was still ice cold. But look at this, we got the pool to ourselves. You gonna swim? Are you gonna do a flip? No? She wants to go to the playground.
Nobody there.
There's nobody over there, baby. I think I'm gonna end up having to take her to the playground after all. Alright, so I guess that's all the pool we're doing for right now. It's actually not bad out. It's one thing I love about being out here. It can be 90 degrees and the humidity's not bad. I can deal with that. South Carolina, no thank you. So we are headed back over to the camper. Here's another kind of view of the park here. Pretty good size, and it is all like block fenced in, so that's kind of nice. You got to have a gate code to get in. Definitely a good stopover. I mean, I don't really know what there is to do in Bakersfield, but you know, if you're traveling, it's a pretty good place to stop and just get some rest and relax and get ready for the next day like we are. All right, it is, hold on, I gotta look at my watch, 5:46 a.m. on Tuesday, and we're getting ready to get ready and head to Las Vegas. I don't think Michaela's up yet. Let's see. She is still snoozing. What do you think? Are you ready to go? Sure. I don't think Jennifer's ready to go yet either. But I like to leave early because we're in Southern California and we're going across the desert and it gets really hot. Well, I'm a big stickler on tires, and you get out there when you got over 100 degrees and you take a chance at blowing tires. So let's get rolling. So usually what I like to do in the morning, I want to walk around and check all my tires, make sure I didn't have a flat happen overnight. It's cool out here. No. God, you gotta be kidding me. Got to be kidding me. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. That is a brand new tire and rim. It's part of it. That's part of it. What are you gonna do? Luckily, it's kind of brings me back to one of the things that you should really have is the tools to do this. This is not going to be fun, but I've got all the jacks. I mean, I've got jack stands, I've got battery powered impact gun. Shouldn't take me 20 minutes. I'm gonna be hurting the rest of the day, I can guarantee you that. Oh well, part of it. Alright, so the flat tire situation's done. It is what it is. I have a bad feeling it's gonna be another bad rim. So if it is, that means we have replaced 3 rims on this travel trailer. I mean, it is what it is. They put cheap stuff on. I can't complain too much really, because we really, in what, 3 years? How long have we had this? 3 years?
Yeah.
3 years, we really haven't had any major issues. And for a travel trailer, that's pretty good. We've definitely put down the miles, I will say that. I think this trip out, we're up to probably close to 5,000 miles. And it's been fun, but right now we are out in the desert. There is nothing out here. We're gonna stop in Barstow and be physically assaulted by California's fuel prices again. And next stop after Barstow is Las Vegas. See you there. We are in Las Vegas. We're at the KOA. What's the name of this place? Jamestown? Johnstown? Something? I forget what it is. But we are set up. Nice little spot. Got the camper unhooked. That's a big old casino right there. Plenty of spots here, plenty of room. So Sam's Town, that's what it is. Sam's Town Hotel and Gambling. I don't do much gambling anymore. I don't know, I guess when I get out of bed without, you know, stretching first. That's a gamble at my age now, it seems like. But we're gonna take a tire up to a place that fixes tires and hopefully get this tire fixed. I'm hoping it's not the rim, but I have a feeling it's gonna be. But if it is, oh well, I'll get it taken care of and that'll be that. So this is all I'm gonna do for today, because once we get this tire done, I think we're gonna do a little bit of grocery shopping and just relax. And then tomorrow we'll play the whole tourist thing, and I'll have plenty of video for you then. All right, today's the day that we start playing tourist here in Las Vegas. You ready, babe? Yes. Michaela, are you ready?
Ready.
She's ready. All right, let's go. All right, so we're making a stop here at the Verizon store. Let's talk about internet. A lot of people talk about, oh, well, you know, I like to have internet when I'm out on the road. You got smart TVs. Well, look, we got 3 smart TVs in our travel trailer, and Michaela loves to watch YouTube kid stuff all the time. So we started off with T-Mobile home internet. Loved it. No problems at all. Okay, baby, hold on. We also got the Verizon hotspot. I wanted to see if both of them, you know, what the difference was. Honestly, the Verizon hotspot, it gives you pretty good service, but for $110 a month, no. There's a 30-day trial on it. We're taking it back. The T-Mobile home internet works so much better, and that's kind of that. So that's my little spiel on having internet out on the road. Golden Silver Pond. This is from the show Pawn Stars. Oh, wow. What's up, guys? Yeah, they have like really oh, look at the shirts over here. I like that. That's cool. Alright, so I gotta ask y'all, I'm sure everybody asks y'all, do the people from the show ever come here anymore? Do they really?
We just wrapped up our filming season, so I know Rick's out of town, but Trump's been coming in lately.
Oh, no shit. Okay. Cool, cool. I imagine y'all stay busy in here, don't you?
It's a little slow right now because Father's Day.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, well, I appreciate it. Excuse me. Alright, so it was getting really busy on the inside. Here's the outside of the building. Very cool. Huh. Alright. Alright, so we're going to go around back. Oh, just over here. In the show, this is where they bring the vehicles to look at. Oh, look at the mural on the back window, or back door. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is where they this is where they bring the cars, I guess, before they buy them. So as y'all heard, the girl inside said that they actually just finished up another season. I didn't even know it was still on, but pretty cool. There's a pigeon over there. Michaela keeps saying, look at that chicken. Alright, we're doing a little mobile tour of Las Vegas. There's Mandalay Bay. It's kind of hard to get out and really see anything because everybody is out. This is the Strip. Oh, there's the MGM Grand. This is the Strip. Excalibur. Carrot Top. Is he still alive? See, so this is why we vacation on like weekdays in winter, because you get to see a lot more stuff with less traffic. Like, look behind us. There's no traffic behind us. What? Oh yeah, there's a train over there. I have no clue where we're going. I guess we're just driving. Where was that guy talking about with the big fountain? I forgot what he said. So traffic is like seriously backed up here on the Vegas Strip. I'm gonna show y'all something. That's why I like having a big extension pole on this GoPro. Wow, this is a busy city. If it's this bad, what is today, Wednesday?
Yes. And
I could only imagine on a weekend.
It's only 11.
And it's only 11 in the morning. That is nuts. We're gonna ride the Strip and then get out of here. Alright, so we're on day 3 of our little Vegas trip here, and I had a couple issues as y'all saw in the last video, and so I asked, hey, where is somewhere I can go to get some new tires and they won't break me over the coals? And I was told, hey, go to this place called Camp Out Trailer Supply. So I said, all right, cool. So we showed up here, and man, I'm gonna tell you, coolest people you ever meet. I told him what the problem was. I said, man, look, I don't want to deal with tires anymore or anything like that. So I want it fixed. He's got me hooked up. They're actually going to come out and mount these. They already got them ready. Mount these on the camper. So they're actually coming out to the Samstown campsite. I was like, man, that is awesome. They're buying my old rims and tires. They gave me a pretty good price, I'm not complaining. And they're gonna put those on there. I don't have to bring a camper or nothing. But y'all, so look, I walked in this place and I'm telling you, they have everything. I'm so tired of going to RV stores and they can always order it for you, but they never have it in stock. Now, when I say they have everything, look at this. Every light, tool, anything you can think of. I mean, seriously. Now here's what kind of blew my mind. The hitch selection. Alright. Look at this. Rotors, drums, I mean, bearings, grease packs, I mean, everything for your suspension, U-bolts, I mean, leaf springs. They have tires in stock, and if they don't have them in stock, they can get them within a day. We just ordered these tires and rims yesterday. They're here today. They've already mounted and balanced them, and at 3 o'clock they're coming out to the camper to put them on. Now look, I'm gonna tell you, this is Las Vegas. It's hot. It's gonna be 110 degrees today. Do you want to be out in the heat putting those on? I sure don't. They're gonna do it. Look at these hitches. Anything you can possibly need. Wiring setups, batteries. So if you have solar, they got batteries. I mean, dude, I could walk around here all day. And they were so cool. I said, hey man, do you mind if I get some video? Because a lot of people come to Vegas in their travel trailers, RVs, campers, whatever. And when you do run into a problem, you got to know where to go. And if you're not from here, where are you going to go? Camp out in Las Vegas. Everything you possibly need. If you don't like your neighbors, there's a boot. No. Camper washers, dishwashers, microwaves, extra parts, screen doors. I mean, God, everything you could possibly need. Oh, they make keys. Jack stands, wheel chocks. I have these. I have yet to use them yet, but I'm definitely going to. Vent covers. I mean, it's amazing. This is like the ultimate RV store. This blows Camping World out of the water. Camping World could take some lessons from having inventory, because so many places they do not have inventory, and that's the most frustrating thing when you're looking for a part and they say, oh, we can order it for you. Vents, fans, oh, coil cleaner. That is something right there that a lot of people don't realize. You have to clean the coils on them ACs or they will freeze up on you. See, filters, insect screens. I bet you they have fan motors here too. Yep, they sure do. Fan motors for your bathroom. That is a lifesaver. We have that on our door. That is awesome. Vent shades. That's your water pressure regulators. This is the one I have. I like that a lot better because, you know, I can set my own pressure. I like setting my pressure between, I don't know, 50 and 55. These usually are, I believe those are preset at like 40. Hoses.
Oh yeah, I told him to go ahead and do it.
Generators.
He told me 6.
Rugs. Parts when you have a water line break. You've got water lines. You could build an RV out of this store. CO2 alarms, smoke alarms, propane tank covers, fire extinguishers.
Cool. Yep. Later.
I mean, dude, oh my goodness. TVs, holy cow. Power lines, dog bones, reducers, you name it. Everything you need here.
014
Gotta have one of those maps.
134
These guys are busy. You hear him in the background. All right, so he's not a camera guy, but this is where you need to come if you find yourself in Las Vegas and you run into some problems, and they will take care of you. Look, I'm gonna tell you, they saved the day. They really did, because I was so nervous. I was like, oh my goodness, I've already cracked 2 rims. Oh, and last thing I want to do is worry about another rim. So they took care of everything here. No issues at all. They said, I really wasn't expecting them to come out today, but 4 heavy duty wheels, 4 14-ply tires, and they'll be out here later today. What? 5. That's right, 5, because I also got a spare. So they bought all 5 of mine, and they did give me a good price. Not complaining. But you find yourself in trouble in Vegas, well, with your camper. The other things probably can't help you with, but this is where you come. All right, so we're back here at the camper, and right now I'm waiting on the guy from Camp Out to come by, and he's going to put the new rims and tires on. But here are before what we have. Now, I just had that rim replaced and a new tire put on. No, was it that one? I can't remember. It was one of the 2. Oh, it's frustrating, man. It really, really is. But like I said, I'm not playing with them anymore. I'm gonna get my stuff right and 14-ply tires, and we'll be good to go. So here's before. All right, they just left, and this is after. Check these out. That is a solid 14-ply tire right there. Ain't got to worry about blowouts anymore. We are good to go. All right. I'm hot, so I am going to go to the pool because it's well over 100 degrees here. Okay. All right, so we decided to take a little trip away from Vegas for a little bit. Now, like 30 minutes away from Las Vegas is Hoover Dam. Michaela, are you having fun? She's always having fun. But so it costs $10 to park unless you have a handicap placard, and then you get in for free. It's tight, very tight in here. But we're gonna go check Hoover Dam out. Come on, really? They're gonna put their bubble gum on the side of the walls? And there it is. Hoover Dam. How cool is that? Alright, we're on the elevator. You ready? Oh, I guess we gotta press a button, huh? Oh my goodness. Are we gonna end up in the water?
No.
Oh.
First floor.
First floor.
I hope that's the right.
I hope so. I don't know. Oh, it looks like it, yeah.
Guided tours.
Hoover Dam tours. Alright, so a guided tour is $30. That's what is on your guided tour. Power plant tour. All that other paperwork. Can't bring your guns, knives, weed, food, or your dogs. Okay. Now there is a turnoff that you can actually walk across that bridge. Let's get a good view from up there. Waiting on Michaela and Jennifer to come out from the bathroom. Take the elevator or the steps? I don't think I'd be taking those steps. Bless you. Huh. Alright, so on one side of Hoover Dam, you're on Nevada time. And what is that, 10, about 10:13, something like that. Oh, look at that water. Long way down. See the water line over there. Oh yeah, it does. Wow.
Here, walk over here.
Alright, so here is, looks like the Nevada-Arizona line.
Oh.
Look at that. Alright, so there is the Arizona side. It says Arizona time.
Awesome.
Very cool. Here's the other side. Wow.
Come on.
Okay, Michaela's not a fan of the heat. It's not that bad. It's probably like 100 degrees. But it's a dry heat.
Yeah, not the back.
Oh, that's
Don't want to
something
lean further.
else.
Go on.
Check that out. That's pretty cool. Huh. Hey, I got the gift shop.
That was an arrow.
It was warm out. Excuse me. Oh, you want some water?
It's $5.
I'm gonna drink it, but yeah. 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 Oh, stickers. Alright, so that was our little Hoover Dam tour. It's pretty cool. I don't know much of the history on it, but it's old. And a lot of people died building it. And it took a long time to build it. So we're going to head out now. Well, that's the conclusion of our trip to Vegas. And we're going to head out in the morning and head towards, start heading east. Eventually we're going to try and make it up to Colorado Springs to see the zoo. But that's it for this video, and be ready for the next one in a few days. As always, feel free to subscribe, like the video, share it. We're really trying to make this thing a big deal here, so if you wouldn't mind, give us a like and a share and subscribe to the channel. All right, y'all have a good one.